everybody from downtown Tampa, Florida. We are here to check out possibly my favorite area in most of downtown. Tyler and Jess from 407 Eats.
Yeah, we're doing the food review on the Heinz ketchup today.
Just picked up food at the Flock and Stock. What'd y'all get?
Well, don't call it Chick-fil-A. This is Flock and Stock. Let's get it straight. But look at this. Does Chick-fil-A give you bacon? I don't think so.
Their signature burger, the Cooper's favorite. Looks pretty good. Honestly, on a hot day, I'm a fan. Tyler, how many times have you been to Tampa?
Is it a 0 or a 1 since this is my first time? So I've never been here, but I've been here once now.
I'm gonna count that as a 1. We're now in Tampa's historic Ybor district.
Flock and Stock, that's what it's locally sourced chicken actually.
Tyler?
Whatever can win me a big mountain of tickets. I want like a big sash, like Miss Universe, only I want to wear a ribbon of tickets.
Follow me! No, stop it! Do you want it?
I want that one.
Jess wants the Minion. And I want Pikachu.
Sure guy. Oh, it is?
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be
Supposed to bounce it. Never mind, don't bounce it. You were better the other way. There you go.
neck on it.
I mean,
That was the most unsatisfying thing I've ever done.
After one last trolley ride, we are back where we started. Just in time to go home.
I hear it.
We're looking for the car, by the way.
I hear it.
Subscribe down below for weekly adventures. Ring that little bell icon for notifications on every episode. And good night.